YouTube, this is Duddyguy5001 again, and I will be shooting the Mossberg M590 and the compact .45 pistol. I will be shooting the Mossberg first because it has better aiming. There. Alright, that's it. So now you'll see what the damage was. Alright. Looks like I hit right there. In the eyeball. I've already shot myself a few times. So yeah. Now we'll be shooting the compact .45. Again. And we'll do it from the other side so you can see. It is, yeah. We'll be shooting from the other side. Alright. Alright, so let's see what the damage was. Probably not much because it has very low FPS. Alright. Wow, that was actually pretty bad. It went right through. Right there. Right where the code is. See? That actually did a lot of damage. Same thing to this. Up and back. So yeah, that was my shooting test of the Mossberg M590 and the compact .45. Thank you guys for watching. This video Duddyguy5001 signing off.